Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Maverick R front bumper. This bumper fits the Can-Am Maverick R, all models. Install time is around 20 to 30 minutes. Can be installed by yourself, with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by removing the factory grille. Grab the plastic mesh and pull outward. It will unsnap and release from the top and bottom. Then, set it aside. Next, there are 4 5mm rivets that will need to be drilled out on the bottom plastic. We have already done so prior to this installation. Now, remove the 4 T30 Torx bolts along the lower sides of the bodywork. There are 2 on each side, as you see here. Then, remove the bodywork. Here is a better view of the 4 rivets that need to be drilled out. Then, set aside the plastic bodywork. Next, grab the DRT front bumper and hold it up in place. There are 4 mounting points on the bumper. 2 lower side mounts and 2 top mounts, as you see here. Now, slide the bumper over the tie down and into place. It will hold itself in place while you grab the hardware. Then, install the supplied 2 5mm Allen bolts and 13mm backing hardware, 1 on each side, as you see here. The backing hardware is a little tricky to get in there with your hand, so have some patience. Then, thread them on, and tighten down the hardware. Next, align the top of the bumper with the mounting holes, which it should already be in place. Then, slip in the supplied 2 5mm Allen bolts, and thread on the 13mm backing hardware. Note, if you wanted to mount lights on the bumper, We suggest doing so before installing the bumper on the vehicle, as space is limited to access the light mounts. Now, to tighten them down, you will need a 6-inch extension, and to access the bolts, you have to go in behind the plastic, and in front of the radiator, as you see here. Lastly, grab your factory grille, line it up, and snap it back into place. You are done installing your DRT front bumper. Congrats, that completes your DRT Maverick R front bumper install. This Can-Am Maverick R 2024 Plus front bumper adds aggressive styling, protection, and retains the ability for the use of a winch. The bumper is constructed from laser-cut steel that is formed and welded to provide the ultimate protection to your Maverick R. Aluminum mesh and contrast plates are clear anodized to provide corrosion resistance and can be color matched to bring in your vehicle build colors. This front bumper allows you to take advantage of your OEM winch mounting location while providing additional protection for this important accessory. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.